10 food fixes to break free from clogged arteries and embrace heart health. Berries, rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Beans, high in fiber that lowers LDL and improves artery function. Fish, contains omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, blood clotting, and triglycerides. Tomatoes, contains lycopene that prevents oxidative damage and plaque buildup. Oats, contains beta-glucan that lowers LDL and total cholesterol. Leafy greens, contains nitrates that dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Nuts, contains healthy fats, fiber, and minerals that improve lipid profile and reduce inflammation. Olive oil, contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that lower LDL and oxidative stress. Garlic, contains allicin that inhibits plaque formation and lowers blood pressure. Dark chocolate, contains flavonols that improve endothelial function and lower blood pressure.